Hi, this is a quick video on where to find your Google Invites on your calendar and how to find those Zoom or Google Meet links to join. If you go to the main hcc.edu webpage, there's always going to be this drop-down menu right here called My HCC drop-down menu. You click on email, and when you click on email, you're basically opening all of your Google account. You want to make sure that you're logged in through your HCC email and not a private one. And you're going to, this is where I can see if I'm logged in as me or my private Gmail account. You're going to look for the Google Apps icon. It's a square made of little dots. When you click on it, you have all sorts of options, and the one we're looking for now is the calendar. Click on Calendar. On the calendar, you'll see invitations. Even if you weren't aware of them, even if you didn't accept them, they should still be there, unless you clicked no. So I'm going to click on this invite that I made for myself tonight. And there's a Join Zoom Meeting link. Before I click on it, I want to make note that there is a password required. So just to make life easier, I'm going to highlight and copy this password, or if I'm good at memorizing, I can memorize it. Click on the link, click Allow, and there I am. I'm in the meeting. You, of course, might have to enter that password. I created this link for myself, so I didn't have to do that here, but it's something to be aware of. You may have passwords for HCC social events and classroom meetings. And that's it.